Today our chapter is Acids, Bases and Salts, Part 4, which is the continuation of Part 3. In this, we are going to know about salts. In salts, about common salt, bleaching powder, caustic soda, baking soda, washing soda, plaster of Paris and water of crystallization. First, we will know about salts. See, salts are produced by the neutralization reaction between acid and base. See, if the reaction occurring between acid and base, we will call it as neutralization reaction. And when that is occurring, you get salt. Okay. Salt of strong acid and strong base are neutral. See, both are strong. Acid are also strong and base are also strong. You get the salt which is having a pH value 7. That is neutral pH value. Okay. Then salts of strong acid and weak base are acidic. So here acid is more powerful than base by because strong acid. Okay. Then with pH value less than 7. pH value less than 7 is what? Acidic. Okay. Then salts of strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH value more than 7. Okay. Here strong base. Base will show that property more than acid. Weak base and strong base and weak acid, it gives what? Basic salt. Okay. Now in salts we'll learn about some salts. Okay, like common salt. Common salt is sodium chloride. Okay, we call it as common salt, that is usually known as sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, it is a salt that we use in food. We use sodium chloride every day in our life. Okay. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Seawater has many salts dissolved in it. It is obtained, this common salt is obtained on a large scale from seawater by separating other salts. This common salt is mixed with other salts also. This is separated from the other salts. Okay. It may also be obtained from rock salt also. See, to prepare this common salt, you can take hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, which is a base. You get sodium chloride and water. This is how sodium chloride is obtained. Okay. Next, you get deposits of solid salt are found in several parts of the world. You can see deposits of solid salt in all over the world. Okay. These large crystals are often brown due to the impurities. See, these salts are brown in color due to the impurities. This is called rock salt. Okay. Then common salt is an important raw material for various materials of daily use. See, everything, in every item we eat, everywhere we use common salt. Okay. Sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder. See, common salt is an important raw material for various daily use products. Even to prepare sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, everywhere they use common salt. Okay. Next, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is also known as calcium oxychloride, that is CaOCl2. Okay. It is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Okay. Then it produces CaOCl2. See here, slaked lime is nothing but CaOH twice. Okay, you can see here. This is CaOH twice. You get chlorine with CaOH twice reacted with chlorine. You get bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2 and water. This is how bleaching powder is obtained. Okay. Now, uses of bleaching powder. See, it is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. Bleaching powder is used in textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, and for bleaching washed cloths in laundry. See, where all we use bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry we use, and for bleaching wood in paper industry, and bleaching washed cloths in laundry. In these places we use bleaching powder. Okay, it is also used as disinfectant for water to make it free from germs. Even in water purification, like also it is used. It is used as disinfectant for water to make it free from germs. Okay, it is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Caustic soda. Caustic soda is also known as sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Okay, when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride is treated with electricity, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide and chlorine and hydrogen. Okay, this is the decomposition reaction. This process is also known as chlor-alkali process because of the products form. Okay, then see here you can see the reaction here. NaCl plus H2O gives NaOH, Cl2 and H2. This is how caustic soda is formed. Okay, then baking soda. Baking soda is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. You can either call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate. Okay, the soda commonly used in kitchen to make a tasty crispy pakoras, right? Yeah, it is a mild non-corrosive base. It is major constituent of baking powder. To prepare baking powder, baking soda is important. Sometimes it is added for fast cooking also. Chemically, it is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. It is produced by using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. To produce baking soda, sodium chloride is used. See here you can see manufacturing of the baking soda. Here sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide plus ammonia gives NH4, that is ammonium chloride, and baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, the following reaction takes place when it is heated. See, you have got sodium bicarbonate. Now what happens if you heat sodium bicarbonate? You get Na2CO3 plus H2O and CO2 is coming out. Okay, this is about baking soda and uses of baking soda. For making baking powder, we use baking soda and mild edible acids such as tartaric acid. Okay, when baking powder is heated or mixed in water, the following reactions occur. Okay, here NaHCO3 plus H plus gives carbon dioxide, water and sodium salt of acid. Okay, then carbon dioxide produced. See, when in this preparation you get carbon dioxide, that makes the bread or cake soft and spongy. Okay, then sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient of antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. See, we have it is an ingredient antacid. Why it is used an antacid? Because to reduce the effect of acid in our stomach. Okay, that reduces the effect of acid in our stomach and gives us some relief. Okay, here the reaction you can see NaHCO3 plus HCl gives, see, this is the NaHCO3 and this is acting on the acid HCl present in our stomach, that produce NaCl salt, H2O and carbon dioxide. This is how it reduces the acid effect on our stomach. And it is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Okay, next washing soda. Washing soda is also known as sodium carbonate. Okay, that is sodium carbonate is a white crystalline solid. It is a white crystalline solid. Its solution in water is alkaline in nature and turns red litmus blue. And it has a property to remove dirt. This washing soda removes dirt, grease from dirty clothes, and thus it is known as washing soda. Okay, we use this in our daily day-to-day life. Yeah. Sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. The recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. See here you are taking sodium carbonate is obtained by heating baking soda. Here to prepare this you take Na2CO3 and treat it with H2O, you get washing soda. Okay. Then uses of washing soda. Where all we use this washing soda? It is used in glass, soap and paper industries, and it is used for the manufacture of sodium compounds like borax. It also removes permanent hardness of water. It is used as cleaning agent in houses and laundries. This is the uses of washing soda. Okay, next plaster of Paris. This is also known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Formula is CaSO4 half H2O. This is obtained by heating gypsum. Gypsum is what? CaSO4 2H2O. If you heat gypsum at 373 Kelvin, at this temperature, gypsum loses water molecules and forms plaster of Paris. See, in gypsum you have 2H2O. In plaster of Paris you have half H2O. If you heat to that temperature, then it loses water molecules and forms plaster of Paris. Okay, if you see here, this is gypsum heated, you get CaSO4 half H2O, that is plaster of Paris, and H2O comes out. Okay, when gypsum is heated above 400 Kelvin, dead burnt plaster is obtained, which does not have the property of hardening. Plaster of Paris is a white powder, and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum, giving a hard solid. See what is happening here. Gypsum is what? Removing water and you get plaster of Paris. Now if you put water to plaster of Paris, you again get gypsum. Yeah. Okay, here you can see the reaction. Here plaster of Paris. If you add water, you get gypsum again. This is how again gypsum is formed from plaster of Paris. Okay, next uses of plaster of Paris. Where all we use plaster of Paris? It is used by doctors for joining fractured bones at right position, and that is for making plaster to support fractured bone. This is used for making support for a bone, fractured bones. And it is also used for making decorative places and for making design on ceilings. In home, while building home, they use this. Okay. And water of crystallization. This is nothing but crystals of some compounds seem to be dry, but actually they contain some water molecules attached to them. See, some crystals of compounds, they have some little bit of water attached to them. This water is called water of crystallization. And such salts are called hydrated salts. Hydrated salts means they have some very little amount of water in them that cannot be easily visible to us. Okay. Then water of crystallization is a fixed number of, they have very fixed number of water molecules in them. Okay, that in the formula of the salt only you will know. See, for example, if you take here blue vitriol, that is CaSO4 5H2O, 5 water molecules are present in one unit of copper sulfate, that is known as blue vitriol. And other salt which possesses water of crystallization is gypsum. As you know, gypsum is used in preparation of plaster of Paris. Gypsum has 2 molecules of H2O. It has, this is known as water of crystallization. It has 2 water molecules as water of crystallization. This water is removed by heating. Yeah, correct. This gypsum has water molecule, 2 molecules of water. You remove that to get plaster of Paris. That is half H2O. This water is removed by heating the crystals of hydrated salt, that is gypsum, and plaster of Paris possesses half molecule of water of crystallization. This is about plaster of Paris. This is water of crystallization in plaster of Paris formation. Okay. Thank you.